3 weeks ago, I placed orders from Alibaba for my clothing brand, and now the samples are in. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox the samples, and we're gonna go over my live reaction, and then my afterthoughts to look over the quality, the attention to detail, the printing, the fit, to see if the low-cost Alibaba suppliers can actually produce quality clothing. All right, here we go. So clothing brand, secret clothing brand, sample number 1 has come in. This is from Rick, supplier number 1. He got it out fast. Oh shit, look at this. So these seem to be the blanks. So if you remember, I ordered multiple blanks. So I'm ordering 1 customized sample, and the rest of them as just blank t-shirts from the suppliers. 2 shirts, and one of them should have a patch, I believe. There we go. So I asked them to get a patch. It's not our real patch. It's a dummy patch, just to see how the patch is gonna look. Attention to detail. This hit me right out of the bag. As you saw, the dummy patch, right? So it was right there on the front of the garment, like this. Now let me show you the tech pack that I sent the supplier. This patch is supposed to be on the back side of the sweater. So here they are sending me samples to prove that they are worthy of, working with them and ordering a bulk order in the thousands of dollars, and they mess up the tech pack. Like, the reason we send a tech pack is to get the technical details correct, and they mess it up right out of the bag. So right off there, it was already not off to a great start. So let's try these on. It feels nice. I don't like that at all though, holy. The way this is printed, it looks like it's like flaky. It looks like it's painted almost. Strike 2 print quality. Now, of course, in a graphics brand, basically, it's probably the most important thing to get the printing quality down. But let me show you guys a close-up look of how this looks so you can see what I'm talking about when I say it looks like it's paint. So right here you can see it's literally flaking off. This is right out of the bag. So yeah, it looks like ass. Now let's see what the back looks like. You guys obviously can't see it because I'm blurring it out, but it does look super dark though. Like, this is supposed to be white. So I want to show you guys a decent look at this so you see what I mean. Without giving too much away, this is supposed to be white, right? It's coming off as you can see the black coming through the white on the design here. And it looks like pajamas. It looks like something you would get at Hot Topic. And it's really disappointing is what it is, but it's also, there was a win about this design. And the win for the sample for me is that after seeing the full design on the back of a shirt, I realized it's not something I would actually wear. It's a cool story, it's a cool concept, but in reality, in practicality, it's not something I would wear. So that was a big win for the samples, that I realized I had to redesign the whole approach that I have to this collection and make it a little bit, maybe a little more simple, a little more toned down, because as it is, I honestly wouldn't wear this shirt. So at least there's a silver lining in that. Super cheap quality hat. This is so cheap. This is actually terrible. So flat. Like, it looks like something you get at the dollar store straight up. So let's go ahead and try these on and see how it fits. I don't like the feel. Feels thick. Feel this, Char.
Feels elasticy.
Unfortunately, the material quality didn't go so well either. Now, you probably can't tell through the screen, obviously, but if you listen to it, it's just really thick, and I wanted it to be thick, but not in this way. It's almost thick and suffocating, like it's plasticky almost. It has a weird finish to it. And I'll try to get a decent video of it here, but it probably doesn't do it too much justice. Just the feel of it though, it's not what I was going for. I wanted something that was heavier, but had more breathability, a little bit more stretch, so that felt like, organic cotton. This feels like something that really just strangles you, and I'm wearing the blank right now, and it's like, I would wear it around the house, but it's not something that I put on and I feel like, oh, this is a quality material. But let's try them on and see how they fit. It fits all right, to be honest. Let me check the mirror. Yeah, it fits all right. It's tight though. I don't know if it's tight or if I'm too swole. This was where it actually came in okay. The fit was decent. I actually like the way it fits. It's a true to size medium. The sweater is actually a little bit small, but it's not something that was like super off. I've seen shirts that come in where they're wider at the bottom than they are at the top. The fit of this is actually okay. I would wear this. It's just not the right material for me. Same with the sweater. But the fit is probably the easiest thing for the supplier to get right, because they're not making the shirts and stuff themselves. They're probably sourcing it from somewhere else. So they got that right, but they got everything else wrong, which means the supplier is not gonna be a good partner for me. So basically, after spending $300 on this, I have to say, this is fucking disappointing as fuck. Holy shit. Yeah, this is not good. So am I writing off Chinese suppliers entirely? Not just yet. This could be just a bad supplier. The second supplier's sample comes in a few days, so I'm gonna do another video just like this one when that one arrives. Now, if that one sucks, I probably am gonna write out Chinese suppliers. I'll probably have to pay a little bit more and source locally to get that quality down. Because what I'm not gonna do is sell a clothing brand that is cheap and something I wouldn't actually wear myself. I want this to be truly quality, truly dope, truly something someone wants to wear and, you know, be happy to wear. But overall, I don't call this a waste of money. That's the point of getting samples. Now, if you missed any videos in this series, you can click this playlist right here and check it all out. Click my face to subscribe. And if you wanna follow this on a daily basis, I upload daily to TikTok where I show this hustle and muscle series where I try to side hustle my way to $1 million, currently in clothing and some other verticals as well. My name is JT Franco, and I'll see you in the next one.